I'm about to review a project for you that is blowing up all over social media, but before I do, as always, I need to give you the disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, it is for education purposes only. So let's get straight into what I've got. Guys, let's dive straight into this, okay? Carbify.io is what I'm talking about, and particularly in their new game that's coming on, all right? So let's just talk a little bit about them. If you are looking for a project you can join, battle, conquer villages, earn prizes, all right? This is it. That's what this game is based on. Having a plot NFT can boost your earnings. However, it's also possible to play for free. So guys, don't worry if you don't have the capital to get an NFT right now, and I will show you how to buy it very, very soon, all right? But begin your adventure now for free if you need to, and find out how you can climb to the top. So guys, ECO Empires is an MMORTS based game played from a bird view. So the battle for the earth is a unique and challenging online game that tasks players with building and managing civilizations in the CO2 neutral. Guys, look at the different images. You got the Frozen Vanguard structure, the Waterborne structure, the Storm Bridges structure. It's super cool, right? It offers a very fun and emerging gameplay with this. I'm gonna let you do your own research as well. I don't wanna go too deep into every single thing because there's so many cool little projects inside of this that I wanna talk about. So starting off with all of the different ones, right? So the medieval time and contains 3 different factions, owned with its own visual strengths and weaknesses. We got the Frozen Vanguard. Looking at this, looking like some sort of Viking coming out of Norway, right? Really, really love that faction. The Storm Bringers, all right, looking like a warrior from 300. And we have the Waterborne. I will say this is my favorite because I'm a scuba diver, looking like Aquaman over here, all right, known for their strong defensive skills. You choose your faction, guys, and how you want to run your life inside of this. The game structure, okay, set on a large dynamic land map of hexagon form, partially filled with NFT-owned plots, and there's plots also owned by the AI as well. You've got to recognize that. So NFT plots, there's 3 types: standard, premium, Genesis. The standard stakes 15 NFT trees. Premium stakes 30 NFT trees. All right. Genesis is staking 50, and all plots offer the full game experience. With other plots, the AI settlements obtain resources through the takeover settlement controlled by the AI. Resources rich plots, okay, offering wheat, iron, clay, and wood. They're the 4, and landmarks are buffering your troops. So with other NFTs as well, you have heroes with unique abilities enhancing the gameplay experience, skins, and decoratives, all right, visually distinguishing armies and bases. We have action. Once players have adequately upgraded and expanded their settlements, they'll be able to train units like Thunderfizz, Frost Stallions, and Tidal Wardens, all right, as well as siege weapons called Ice Blade, Ballisteel. Guys, does this not sound incredible already? They have objectives, okay? The goal is to neutralize as much CO2 as possible. And in the game pool of 8 CO2, rewards will be available. Players can actually view a dynamic CO2 offset meter and see how they share the reward pool. Guys, this is incredible. Now, let me show you how you actually buy one of these NFT trees, all right? NFT trees. It's gonna be super, super easy. It takes you to OpenSea, all right? Make sure you're using the exact contract address, all right? Do not be fooled. Only use trusted links, like that link down below is gonna be there. All right, this is how you do it. You can see here the floor price is set at 12.5 USDC, and you have the listing prices up here. Simply grab one that you want to get, a land pot. You can even get a Genesis Premium Standard or the NFT batch, which is 2. All right, and get involved there. Super, super easy. Guys, if you don't know how to use OpenSea, please look at some of the videos on this channel. So now we know about the game, how to buy the NFTs, all right? What is actually going on here with the bigger picture? Humanity is thriving here. Economic prosperity is everywhere. The world economy is growing every single year. More people are joining this earth as inhabitants. Companies are focusing on profits and growth like never before, right? And it sounds like a positive movie script, right? It does actually sound like a movie that I was just watching, the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It sounds like we're in that, all right? The issue acknowledges significant and pressing concern for society. Now, this is what you need to pay the most attention to, okay? It is one of the most pressing problems we are facing civilization. The Earth is no longer able to support us due to our action. It's sending us warning signals through various means. However, we continue to pollute and damage the Earth, even with the attempt to offset our pollution through carbon credits. Now, guys, how do we fight this? Here is what they believe, all right? It's important to do their part in taking care of the Earth and its sustainability. That's why they're dedicated to investing in eco-friendly, biodiverse, and world-healing projects, such as planting trees, which is the main concept here, right? To ensure their decisions are guided by experts, they work with ecologists around the world. So they're really here doing an incredible, incredible job. Who are they? I don't want to even murder trying to pronounce their names. So we do have the co-founder here. I think it's Jaap Harmsma. Entrepreneur for 25 plus years, previously held positions with the CTO of Vulcan Forge, economy advisor, strategist for multiple projects, Crypto for Dummies writer. You can see all their Twitter, LinkedIn, Discord, everything down there, right? We've got Toby Wagner, the co-founder as well, blockchain and gaming enthusiast involved in various projects, ancient pro gamer, loves the Legend of Zelda, who doesn't? And William Ten Zaitov, co-founder, serial entrepreneur and sustainable companies, initiator of the world's first blockchain carbon standard. Guys, these have a whole team behind them that you need to go and check out. But I'm very, very impressed with just the co-founders and how they have the abilities to make this happen, okay? It's based in the Netherlands. The roadmap, let's just touch on this. The roadmap going through all the way from Q1 23, launching it, goes all the way down. I want you to click this link and do your own research as well, all the way through to Eco Empire's full game at the beginning of 2024. Guys, if you don't already want to hit that link down below and get involved and start buying some of these trees and get involved with this project, I do not know what's going on. Guys, one of the best things I love about this project is the transparency, all right? If you go over to their green paper, right, click that now, you're gonna take you into all the information they've got, and it really does dive deep into exactly what they're trying to do with the local communities, all right, creating a positive social impact, all right, and how the participants are gonna earn these CO2 tokens. It goes deep diving into exactly what they're trying to do, what their mission statement is, their clarification of everything they're trying to achieve. All right, it's really cool. They've got the problem where you can go and read it, and they've also got the solution, how they're gonna solve that problem. I am very impressed with the transparency from this company. All right, they're very open. Everything online that you can see is exactly how they're gonna get this done. So guys, please know that you are getting, if you decide to get involved with this project, you're getting involved to a very honorable, transparent company. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.